what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to talk about Filecoin. It's been a couple of days, well, I said a couple of weeks since we did this price prediction, you guys can see, which is before you. We're going to talk about what happened during that time period, and then we're going to try to see if Filecoin is going to continue to go lower. So as always, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'm not here to pump you all up into all of this cryptocurrency hype. I'm just simply here to give you all an advantage. And that advantage is seeing what everyone else is expecting price to do. And we're going to show it to you in a way that's not confusing. So if you find that very appreciative, make sure you guys support, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. So now let's check this out. The price prediction here that's already here on the chart for Filecoin was produced on the 27th of July. Okay. And at that moment, we were looking for the market in Filecoin to go higher, mainly off of this bounce that occurred on the 24th and the 25th of July, to where the market bounced within this very important buy pocket. Okay. The market in Filecoin did go higher, but it also stopped going higher at that sell pocket, which is around $2.81. Okay. We identify that area as a point to where we said sellers would be. And the sellers did show up on the 28th of July, and price has been on a downward move since then. We found that the next batch of buyers right here around $2.28 to $2.25 on August the 1st, 2nd, and the 3rd, price went up. Okay, so let's clean up this chart, because outside of this very small sliver of price going higher in Filecoin on the 20th of July, this market has gone against the price prediction. Okay, which is like 10.04% on July the 30th. So this prediction didn't play out. It didn't take too long for it to play out. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. We will also get rid of this buy pocket here, and then this buy pocket. So now this is the area that we can see sellers and buyers. Okay, now we're going to add a new area of selling right here in the market for Filecoin. Okay, so this is going to be the point that we can see the market in Filecoin continue to get rejected and go lower. Okay, so we're going to need to identify that first. Okay, so we did that. And now this area right here look like it's going to be another point to where we can see price test the buyers. We're going to see if these buyers want the market right in this vicinity, because price currently is still weak. And I say that because of this particular day here, and then the last 2 days, which is inclusive of today's trading price action as of right now. Now let's look at this on the 2-day time frame. We have 13 hours left and 29 minutes, and the market still looks pretty weak. Okay, so the next 13 hours, 29 minutes, if this price closed at the bottom of this 2-day bar, then you need to expect that price is still weak. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Filecoin on the 4. Here it is on the 5. 5 is real weak. Okay, for us to see on the prior 5 days market trend back up higher in price, to only see it come right back down, tells us that the market is not being bought up by the buyers. It's telling us that the buyers aren't here yet. They're not willing to buy the price in Filecoin up there around $2.75. They're not. And the next thing you can see here on the 5 is that this market in Filecoin is in a downward trend. All right. So longer term, you know, the average mean of where price has been going is down, is lower. Okay, so this doesn't look too good in Filecoin outside of in the next 13 hours and 28 minutes. Let's say the market in Filecoin runs all the way back up to the high of this 5-day bar. Then maybe we can say that buyers approached the market and they came back through, they came back to life, they were revitalized, and price ended up closing at the high. You might consider that they may try to make another run higher. And I'm talking about the buyers. Here's Filecoin on the weekly chart. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks, 3, 5, and then so far for the month of August. Now, here it is on the 11-hour chart. You guys see that definitely that the wider spread price bars are in favor of selling. Okay, this one, that 11-hour bar, and this one. You can see that these smaller spreads that has occurred on these price bars was when price is trying to go higher. Which also is letting us know that the market is not that enthusiastic of moving price up. Now, we're at this point here though. Okay, so let me mention this, that this is a pocket of buying that's trying to be created. Okay, like we can see that buyers are trying to approach the market in Filecoin right here. Now, will they hold it? That's the question. Because if so, yeah, we can see another market move to the upside. Okay, so yeah, we definitely need to mark that area. That's on the 5 hour. Here it is on the 3. Here it is on the 1 hour. And the 3:30. Okay, so yeah, we're going to mark that. That's going to be a very important area. Now, we're going to anticipate Filecoin going lower again. Okay. And we're going to try to target this middle buy pocket. There's still opportunity in the near term for the market to bounce off this buy pocket already. I mean, we just saw it on hourly charts. I've shown it to you. Okay, so if you see that happen, then this price prediction in Filecoin either will take longer for it to play out or it will go against us. Okay, but we're going to try to target this next buy pocket at $2.28, 6.97% there. On the low of that buy pocket is 8.64%. And then we're going to run it all the way down to this next buy pocket, which gives us at right $2.07, 15.44% move to the downside there. And there's enough weakness. We can see it run 20% to $1.96 in Filecoin. Now, I'm not really seeing all of that right now, but maybe this middle pocket is attainable if the sellers continue to move the market lower. So yeah, we're going to leave this right here and see what's about to happen. Now, you guys can give me your thoughts. As always, the comment section of these videos are always open so that you guys can drop your prediction and not necessarily just hinder on what is being said or shown on this particular video. You guys can also tell and show others what are you expecting the market to do within the cryptocurrency space. So just let everyone know. Let them know your thoughts. I've shown you my opinion, my thoughts of what I think price is up to and what it's trying to do. Now is your opportunity. What you got? Let us know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.